boat here. Always make sure your bolts and stuff are tight, you know, because this boat came loose. It goes here, so the boat came out here, and this was rubbing. This was rubbing on the inside of the tire. So make sure your caliper bolts are tight. Because look right here, it was rubbing in there. So it didn't cause any major damage. What it could have. So when you're doing your brake job, just make sure that everything's tight. This is a all right. Here we go. I was able to find the boat. I'm gonna show you what you good to have. Okay. Okay. All right. Just make sure. I know. Stop it here. Here goes one of my buckets I use. I just came through here and rummaged around in it for about a couple of minutes, and I found that a boat that matched up to the original boat. So I got about 8 buckets of